Hey guys, it's Josh from Crawlspace Gulf Coast here. Customer asked me the other day, they said, is Crawlspace encapsulation new? I was like, no, it's not new. It really took off in 2007, but what really got it started was people got tired of replacing their flooring, their subflooring. You know, they got tired of like walking into a room, like their living room or a bathroom or a kitchen, and having their floors sinking down. So for years, what was happening was, moisture and humidity was getting in the crawl space. That wood decay fungus started to grow, started eating away at the floors. And then you would hear, oh, hey, I got to call in a carpenter. I have to call in this person. Why? Well, because my floors are weak and saggy. Okay. Well, Crawlspace encapsulation fixes that. You don't have to worry about replacing your floors every 5 to 10 years now, or sectioning off your home, moving things out of there, and changing it. Or if you're into buying and selling homes, if you are, you know how many homes you've gone in there before, and if they have a crawl space, you're like, well, we got to rip up all this subfloor. Now we got to put down new flooring on top of that. Just stop doing that. Just fix the problem at its source. The problem's not the floor. The floor just doesn't magically wither away. It's not like sand on the beach. It doesn't just wash away. Something is causing it to go bad. That's the moisture and the humidity inside the crawl space. Go ahead and encapsulate your crawl space, fix any damage that's there, and then don't worry about it. It's on autopilot from there.